yourself. So buses leave at 5 past and 10 to every hour. So that means 10 minutes to every hour. If Mo catches a bus between 9 o'clock and 11:15, what buses could he catch? Okay, so I am going to sit with my clock and I'm going to put my clock at 9 o'clock. Then I'm going to think that buses leave at 5 past and 10 to every hour. At 5 past the hour and 10 to the hour. And I'm going to put the time to 5 past 9. And then I'm going to go all the way around and I'm going to put it 10 to 10. And I'm going to see how many times until I get to 11:15, how many buses there are. So pause the video, have a go and see what you come out with. This is a tricky one, making Mrs. Bailey think. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds, have a little look at it or pause the video, and then I will show you on my clock how I would work it out. So 10 seconds. So here's my clock. Now I know that buses go at 5 minutes past. So Dom has got his clock at 9 o'clock. So he could get one bus at 5 past 9. So that's one time. So I've written that one down on my piece of paper. You can hear me writing it down. 5 past 9. Now I also know that the buses go at 10 to every hour. So if I go all the way round, I know that 10 to is here. So I've got to go round. So I'm going to go in 5 minutes all the way round my clock. Oh, too far, Mrs. Bailey, because that will be 5, 10 to, 10 to 10. So I can write that down. 10 minutes to 10 o'clock would be another time that a bus would go. So that's 2 buses he could get. Okay, it also, remember, it goes at 5 minutes past and it's still not 11:15 yet. I have to stop at 11:15 because that was the other clock that he was standing between. So let's have a look. So it goes another 5 minutes past the hour. So here we go again. Oh, there he goes. He could get this bus at 5 minutes past 10 or 5 past 10. So I'm going to write 5 past 10 on my piece of paper, or 10:05. Now I know I could go all the way around my clock again till it says 10 to. Now I know where 10 to is. I can stop. Brilliant. And it's 10 to, 10 minutes, 5, 10 minutes to that 11 o'clock. I'm going to write that down really quickly. There we go. I've written it down. Now, he can go 5 past the hour. Oh, there we go. So he is getting the one at 5 minutes past 11. It's another one. Now, can he get the next bus? Let me see. Oh, no, he can't. Because if you remember, the times were between 9 o'clock and 11:15. So he can't. So that's the last bus he can get. My goodness me, he can get the 5 past 11 bus. So let's have a look what we actually found out written down. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, it wasn't Dom, it was Mo. Mrs. Bailey, get with the ticket. Goodness me. If Mo catches a bus between 9 o'clock and 11:15, what buses could he catch? Well, I wrote down 5 minutes past 9. I wrote down 10 minutes to 10. I wrote 5 minutes past 10. I wrote down 10 to 11 and 5 past 11. So let's see what I wrote down on here. Mo, 5 past 9, 10 to 10, 5 past 10, 10 to 11 and 5 past 9. He can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different buses should he choose to. So I was very logical there. I got my clock. I started at 9. I didn't just stare at my clock. I had a good go and a good try, making sure I put the minute hand at 5 past and then moved my hands round to 10 to, and I worked out how many times that Mo could catch the bus, not Dom, that Mo could catch the bus between 9 and 11:15. So your core task is to try the 5 past and 5-2 activities. If you can't print off the sheet at home, then use your homemade clock to show the time on it. Let me show you the sheet now. So this is the sheet. So to know how to tell the time to 5 minutes, can you read the times here? So the first one I can do for you, because I know what that says. It says 5:10. So it's 10 past 4 because the hour hand is pointing just past the 4 o'clock. So have a go at these ones and write the times underneath. Then can you draw the hands on the clock? If you don't have a printer, show the times on your homemade clock and show a grown-up would be perfect, or take a picture of them. So have a little look, this one, 20 to 4, 5 to 7, or you could go to the teaching clock where I've just been on here, which is at Top Marks, and you can just type in teaching clock, and it's really quite nice to use if you want to use that. When you have done that, if you need an optional challenge, you can put your time telling skills to the test with this amazing strategy game at Enrich. So let's have a look at that just so you know what it looks like and that you're looking at the right thing. So this is what it looks like. It's called Stop the Clock. This is an optional challenge. You can print off the blank pages on Word or as PDF, which is here that your parents can click on. It says the time set on the clock to 6 o'clock to start the game. That's how you have to start it. Decide who will be the first player to go and who will be the second, because you need 2 players. Take it in turns to choose to move the hands of the clock by half an hour or by an hour. For example, player 1 could choose to move your clock half an hour forward. So the clock hands move to 6:30. Then player 2 might choose an hour and you might move your hands to 7:30, etc. And the winner is the player who moves the hands exactly onto 12 o'clock. Can you work out a winning strategy so that you can always beat your opponent? That's the person you're playing against. That sounds an interesting one and fun one to play. So year 2, have lots of fun. Have lots of fun and make sure that you have a go at your 5 past and 5-2 activities. If you need to watch this video again, do. It's there to help you so that you can learn 5 past and 5 past, 10 past, 25-2, lots of different to and past. Have a lovely day, year 2, and I shall see you on Wednesday for my live teaching sessions in grammar. I shall see you soon. Take care and have a lovely weekend. Fingers crossed for lovely sunshine this weekend. Please, everybody, fingers crossed and your toes crossed too. Take care. Bye-bye.